I mean 5.
Negative 5. Okay.
So that would be x is less than 50.
X is...
Greater? No, less than.
Oh yeah, less than 50.
It is now greater than.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Why?
Times a negative is a positive.
Because if you multiply or divide a negative number, you get
For inequalities, when you multiply or divide by negative, then you flip it. You flip the sign.
Oh,
Okay? It has to be a negative number. If you do division by like a regular 5, you keep it the same.
but if it's a negative, you switch it.
Yes. So here's the line. Negative 50. X. And which way? Or what kind of circle? Open. And to the right. Like that. Okay?
Wait, why did you do the A? Oh, it's a negative. That's why.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I was just testing you guys, you know?
Were you testing yourself?
I've had a long day. And yesterday.
You did this on purpose.
Yeah, I was testing you guys.
Are you sure about that?
See? Someone said it. Why did you do the X? See?
Are you sure about that, Kyle?
Yeah. Alright, is this okay? Okay. Any questions? Anything? You guys playing peekaboo over there? What? Oh. Alright, we move on. Okay, so now we are combining everything we know. Right? You guys know how to solve? Right? So we still do it here. So if you didn't get it in chapter 1, you better best get it here.
No, wait. That's 6?
Yes.
Okay.
And then did I tell you guys on Wednesday I will not be here as well? Sorry, I have a test.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I have a test. I have a test.
Oh yeah.
I have a test on Wednesday. That's why I will not be here.
Do I have to give you a bill electron?
Huh?
Can I give you a bill electron?
Maybe.
Okay. I'll just give you a Curry jersey.
Oh, that's. You know, he's statistically not clutch.
What? Excuse me, don't talk about...
He's statistically not clutch.
What about the Olympics?
Yeah, what about the Olympics?
That's different.
No, that's not different.
That's
He
different.
made 4 threes in less than 3 minutes in the final.
How many games did he do that?
Okay, well, he saved USA, okay?
He did.
And who's your cookie bear?
Curry.
Oh my god.
Okay, enough of that. I didn't want to hear that, but
Wait, it's recording.
yes, it is recording.
Everyone just heard that.
Like that.
I twitch. Oh, someone did.
Anyways, solve for this. What should you do first?
Oh, you would first multiply by -6, right?
That's what you want to do.
But we can't.
You can. Yes, you can. But
Yeah.
I think that gives you more issues.
It does?
Yes, it does.
So
Okay?
we just subtract?
So we should subtract 7. Okay?
I guess.
You are fine multiplying everything by -6.
It just makes it easier like this.
But this one is easier to see and account for everything, okay?
Oh, then you do the line. It's multiply.
Yeah.
So then
Because-
you would multiply by -6.
Yes.
Be -12. Oh, then you switch it.
Okay, so now you have y is no longer less than, right? Y is now what?
Negative or greater than.
Greater than negative 12. Okay, open or close?
Open.
And then which way?
To the right.
Thank you. Alright, sounds like as long as you're able to solve, you will have a great time. Did I ever tell you guys how I grade this on a test?
Yes.
I did?
No.
No. Okay, so let me backtrack a little bit. The arrow in the circle will still be, there. Okay? So if you come to this, I give you 1 point for a correct number line. Okay? The correct type of circle is another point. And then the direction of that line is another point. So this is already 3 points. And then I'm not going to put like a lot of plus ones there. I'm just going to do like a big old +3 if you got it. Okay? Now, here's the issue. What if you solved it incorrectly? For example, what if you did everything and you forgot to flip it?
We'll get 2 points.
It is already incorrect, right? So, in the past, I've given like, some pity points, but that led to people passing the test, but still getting it wrong. So what I will do is I will give my 1 pity point out of 5 points. And then I will invite you to correct it in some way for some credit back, okay? Okay. So please, this part here, solving, check. Be very careful, okay? Because I know all you guys know how to do your stuff, but sometimes you miss a little negative, and then it screws everything over. Double check this part first, okay? I can't stress that importance. Check it first, and then graph it. Yeah, check your work. All right, next. Can you guys try that one out? Yep. I have your brother on speed dial.
Actually, you can call him right now. You can't do that. Oh, wait.
I call him right now. Okay, I hear the sound of pencils dropping, so that means you're mostly done. Stumped. What did you do first? Add 4. Yeah, try to add or subtract first. That way you have less problems. And then?
And then you divide 2.
Do I flip the inequality?
No.
Why not? I divided.
It's not.
It's not negative. Great. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to 6. Now you got 0, 6. Close. Close to the right. Is that okay? Okay. And I think I have one more for this one, and then we get into like some special stuff. It could be. It could be scary.
Oh.
All right, this one has x on both sides. What do we do? Yeah, try first. I'll give you like 3 minutes. And my 3 minutes is actually like a minute, because, you know, counting in my head.
Because you count fast.
Maybe. All right. Anybody want to suggest the first step? Sure. Yeah. Okay. Now what? We should subtract. There's no more like terms, right? Subtract 2x. Okay? But I want to backtrack a little bit. All right? Can I backtrack a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, because sometimes people would like to do this first, okay? So, actually, should I backtrack? Maybe let me do it again after, okay? So, let's not backtrack. 6x minus 2x is 4x, right? No, I'm going to say something else. And then you divide by 4.
You get 4.
So you get x is less than 4. Okay? Okay, let me do like this. So let me ask you guys a question. Can you subtract 6x to both sides?
Yeah, possibly. It's possible. Yeah.
Yes.
Would you do it though?
Would I do it? Why would I not do it?
Because it'll be more work.
More work, and guess what? Huh? It will be confusing because, guess what? Your x is negative, right?
Oh, no.
So that means in the end, you would have to divide by -4, and then you gotta flip it back. So what am I trying to tell you guys?
Don't do it.
Don't do that.
No, don't make your life hard.
Oh,
Okay? Yeah, don't make life hard. Whenever you see something like this, try to keep the x positive, okay? So if you want to keep the x positive, then you subtract by 2x, subtract by 2x. You have positive 4x. Because the more, I guess, negatives you have, the harder your life is. That goes. Bless you.
That kind of caught me off guard. That was uncalled for.
I don't know if you guys know, and it tells me that maybe your COVID education is maybe poor because that mask stuff will still go through.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know that.
Now you do.
But now I do.
So Caleb, here, I'll open the door for you.
You haven't changed the mask to Mr.
I do not have anything.
You're germaphobic?
I am.
Do you hate germs?
Most definitely, yeah. If you're sick, do not come near me. I will stamp all your stuff later.
Oh, what's the special cases?
Oh my lord.
Wait, is it when you multiply? Why? Why? What's wrong with them?
That's okay. If you are sick, stay home. It's okay. You can watch.
Force you.
Tell them that your teacher streams, so you're not missing anything.
What about online teachers?
What if we don't have any other device that we can watch?
They're okay.
And what about online teachers?
Let them know. Math is the most important one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna tell them.
Yeah, if you come to school sick, I'm gonna lock you in that room and you can watch from the window. Yeah, you see? I think I can do that. See that window right there? That one?
You're gonna like lock us in here like a zombie or something?
I'll lock you in here and you can watch from here.
We're recording at the same time. This is gonna be bad.
Yeah.
You might have to cut this out of your recording.
That's fine. It's okay. Anyways, you guys got the special cases?
Wait, but how do you know off the bat?
You don't.
Wait, do you have to shoot it?
Oh, like, how do you know it's a special case?
Because it says special case.
Okay, I'm telling you, right? But then on your test,
Is it because of parentheses?
Do you just shoot
no,
Dang.
you do distribute.
Ooh, I did that.
On your test, I will not tell you it's a special case.
Jaden, why are you so pale?
I
Variables will be the same.
yes. So after you distribute, you have
Bro, it's actually cooking.
this, right? And I think what Caleb said was that the variables, their coefficients will be the same. So automatically you have a special case already. Okay. You could end it right here with subtracting 8x to both sides. Not like that. And then you get this inequality, right? And then you take a look. Is that true?
I think yes.
A negative number is greater than a positive number.
No.
Never. No. Right?
There's no way.
There is no x. So that's why you just look at that statement right there. Is that true?
No.
No. So you're going to say,
No.
well, before we did that, right? Now we say no solution.
Yes.
Wait, why aren't you finishing?
Talking to me?
Oh, you're lucky.
Is that okay? Yes. What do you mean? Oh, like if you added it over? So if you add it over, it'll be like 0 greater than 15, right? Then you look at that one too. Is that one true?
No.
No. So it's still the same thing.
But like Pythagoras.
Yeah?
I have a
Yeah.
question.
If you, like, everything flipped? The inequality? You would have to flip it legally, like with a dividing by a negative. Yeah.
Guys, calm down. He only just said mother.
Yeah, I said mother.
Okay, why don't you guys try this one out then?
Oh.
I have a question, sir.
No,
Yes.
it's just a
Would
variable
you
that changes,
actually
so it's not pretty much a
like
big.
in a real case scenario, would you actually get sick or
If they come and they say they have COVID and yes, you go sit over there, what the heck?
Oh yeah, that's no solution.
Yeah.
You get fired for that.
Yeah, because if one of you got COVID and you're sitting over there coughing, sneezing, whatever, then most likely everyone else around you will have it. So you go sit in there.
But we're gonna be dropping
Wait, actually?
Yeah. You see, I'll call that my quarantine room.
He's actually really, are you actually like sitting there?
My isolation room.
Is it-
What the heck?
I look at the board, I see the question, calls out the answer like
Like that. Like.
What do you say?
Bro, wait, what?
Gabriel, you didn't even know what you're talking about.
You pulled it out. I've been here since the last question. I've been trying to get your attention, man.
All right, you guys ready for this one or what?
No soul.
No, so.
We'll see then.
This used to be my class now. Like fifth period, it's crazy to think about.
We'll subtract the 10 W's, right? And we take a look. Is this true? Oh, sorry. My bad. That's the second mistake. Oop. But this,
Wait, I thought I had a variable though.
you don't need a variable technically.
Oh, I thought you did.
Okay?
I also thought we did.
Is negative 2 less than 7?
Yeah.
For sure. Less than, right? Not equal to, but still less than. Okay?
Whatever, man.
So then, what do you say? Can you graph this? Infinitely many solutions.
So in
There are.
like pi.
Yes.
So people, so like someone could just like do the solution over and over and over the rest of their lives and over.
Yes. So actually, let's graph it. Hey, how do you guys graph this?
You do a line and then -2, and then 7 on the other side, and then you get.
No, I thought it just like.
And then you put a circle that's closed over -2.
Okay, wait, what?
And you do it to the right.
He's a genius.
What?
I'll say
No.
no.
Say it.
Why?
Because guess what? Any number for W will work, right? Whatever number you put in for W, it will work, yes?
Yeah.
So it could be like 100, 1,000,000, 1,000, whatever. In every single case, it will work. So all the numbers work. So that means you do this.
Even the negatives?
Even the negative numbers will work. Okay, so if you want to graph it, you draw a regular graph, you just scribble the entire thing. Because that means all the numbers work.
Do you have to do that?
No.
I just did that, so yeah.
And then the one I told you guys was all row numbers. And then the one symbol is like this. And then period 3 was compendium because infinitely many solutions is too long. So they did this.
Oh my god.
Okay, so you guys can do that. Okay? Any questions?
She said.
All right. Since it's Friday, and I think you guys did really, really great yesterday, here you go. Only 4.
I thought you were gonna like.
I did.
How is that a good thing?
I'm done.
Less than 8.
Oh yeah.
And then your homework, of course, you know, like.
What? You gotta be kidding.
It's not a lot, I know. You can finish it in class. You're gonna be here anyways. Right? That's right. Yes. Okay, leave your worksheets out. I'll stamp them. Sure.
Yeah.